Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn on spell check in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So let's say you have a Google Sheets spreadsheet like this project management sheet where you have a ton of text and you want to make sure that they are spelled correctly. Fortunately, there is also a way to use spell check in Google Sheets, not just in Google Docs. And all you have to do is go to the tools in the menu bar, click on that and select spelling. And as you can see, here's the spell check option, and if you click on that, it will go over the complete Google Sheets spreadsheet and find words that are spelled incorrectly. So as you can see, for instance, calendar in the content calendar here is spelled incorrectly, and Google Sheets will recommend the correct spelling. So we can click on change here. There's another misspelling here, project manager with double G. Then it recommends to change it to manager. You can of course ignore this spell check, or you can click on change here, and you can, if you click on this down arrow, you can also change it to all. So now this is how you can turn on spell check in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.